You ready to do this thing? Let's race.
Didn't you learn anything from our last e-bike video? What? You don't fix when you fall off, Danny. Besides that, you'd never beat me anyways.
Maybe not, but I think I can beat you in accessories. Don't go away.
If you're new to our channel, I'm Lynn.
And I'm Danny, and welcome to RV America.
Take a quick minute right now and hit the subscribe button.
Hit that notification bell because you're going to want to see our next video.
And give us a thumbs up if you like our video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family members that you think might be interested in seeing it. So as you know, we got e-bikes for Christmas.
And we'll link that video up above and in the description.
However, there are some things we found that you really need to go with these bicycles.
If you're a newbie like us, there's going to be accessories that you need.
So Danny, what's the #1 item that every new e-bike owner needs?
Not everybody's going to agree with this, but we suggest a good quality helmet. And this is a Sena, and we will have a separate video on this because they're such great helmets. And we want to tell you much more in detail about these.
Yeah. Helmets will keep you safe if you get into an accident or fall off your bike.
She's the clumsy one.
Yeah, I really am the clumsy one, but knock on wood, I've not fallen off yet. However, it's just a really good thing to do is wear a helmet when you're out riding around.
We've got 9 accessories that every newbie e-bike person should have, and we want to share with those today. But I tell you what, Lynn doesn't know about this, but I even have a bonus for you.
I don't think that's fair, guys. If he gets a bonus, I get a bonus.
I have a bonus.
I do have a bonus.
Okay.
Don't tell me I don't have a bonus. Can't I have a bonus if you have a bonus?
Okay. All right.
Okay, I get a bonus too. So one of my must-haves for the e-bike is the rear view mirror. To me, it's a safety thing. If I'm turning left off of a main road, I need to see if someone's wanting to pass me because cars pass bikes all the time. And this way I can see if there's anyone behind me, getting close, and if it's safe for me to turn.
So, one thing I think is a must-have is a bottle holder. Every e-bike should get one. Put it on there, because you know, as you're traveling, you need to stay hydrated.
So one of my favorite things is the bell. Why the bell, you say? Because we do a lot of trails that have walkers and bikers on it. Instead of yelling on your left or on your right, I can just ding my bell and everybody can hear me and know that I'm coming and I want to pass them.
Lynn, everyone can hear you coming. You don't have to worry about that.
That was not very nice.
But it was funny.
Not really. Well, okay, well you got me. It was kind of funny.
On the left.
I don't have to say that.
So one of the things I think you're going to want to have is a good phone holder. We are going to travel and our bikes are going to be our vehicles to get around in. We won't have a tow vehicle at first, and we need to have this up here for the maps. You'll be able to put your Waze or your Google Maps up here and be able to get around, but you want to be able to see it. Another thing, you can listen to music as you're traveling down the road.
Danny, you cannot watch YouTube while you're going down the road.
Not even RV America?
No, not even RV America.
One of the accessories we think is pretty important is a light. Ours came with this. It's not super bright, but it's plenty bright enough to let cars see us if we happen to be out on the bikes after dusk. We can see a little bit, but what's more important is cars can see us and hopefully not run us over.
So, as I said, we're going to be traveling around on these things, running errands, making short trips. And one of the things that we wanted was saddle bags. These things have a lot of room. We'll be able to get a few small groceries in there and carry anything that we need to on these short errands. So while I'm here, let me show you the next thing I think you'll need. I think you're going to need a good air pump and a toolkit.
Toolkit? You're gonna hurt yourself with that thing, Danny.
Hey, you know I'm trying to get better at maintenance. We'll link that video up above and in the description.
Okay.
So one of the things that I think is pretty important to have as an accessory on your e-bike is this rack right here in the back. It can be useful in so many ways, like to hold the saddlebags Danny has. However, it's time for my bonus. I'm gonna get mine in first. My bonus thing for you is a milk crate.
Milk crate?
Milk crate is handy because not only can I put groceries in this if I want to ride down to the corner market and pick up a couple of things, but also, guess who else can go in this? She's over there resting. Bella's backpack fits perfectly in here. I can buckle it right there, and she can go with us anywhere we go without us worrying about her getting hurt, falling out, or anything. It's great. So my tip for you, you don't got to spend money on a fancy dog seat for your bike. Get you a good old milk crate.
Now it's time for my bonus.
You don't even have room for a bonus on there anywhere.
I'm glad you mentioned that. So, if you're like me and maybe run out of space, these handlebars are tighter than most bikes, what you can get is an accessory bar. I want to be able to take along a GoPro or maybe a second mirror, but that's something you can really use. And I'll link that down below with some of these other accessories, but it's going to be something you're really going to want if you really get into biking.
So believe it or not, today is March 6th and we're out for our first camping trip of the season. Woo!
That's right, and the weather is so good. We got to get on these bikes and do several trips, and we just want to share some of the things we think you might need as you're considering e-bikes.
Yeah, and we may even have a future couple more purchases.
Yep.
Things that we need.
That we'll share with you. We want to discuss the helmets, and some of y'all have asked about a bike rack, and we have that coming.
Mm-hmm.
And like I said, we'll have a lot of these items down in the description. If you want to check them out on Amazon or any other source, please do so.
We are Amazon affiliates. Doesn't cost you anything extra at all to purchase from Amazon on the link below, but it helps us out just a little bit.
We just get a little bit because we sent you to Amazon.
So take a quick minute, hit the subscribe button,
and hit that notification bell. So we've got some of those videos we just talked about coming out, and you won't want to miss those.
and if you've got a friend who can use this video, share it with them.
And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up.
Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV America.